Oh, hello, Minglava. This is Genovia. Welcome to my favorite spot to edit my videos currently. I'm working on a new project right now, which is why I'm whispering because this place is so quiet, everybody's just working quietly. And I'm getting hungry. I didn't bring my lunchbox today, so I think I should order some food. And speaking of food, it's almost Valentine's Day. I think restaurants are gonna be having so much promotions going on. I'm a foodie, and one of my must-do lists is to check where I can get discounts so I can always save money. I always like to check restaurants like KFC, Waikiki, or Fufu, Season, T2s. And whenever I do, I always see foodpanda partnering with most of these restaurants for a discount. So the first place to always check, foodpanda. Oh my, good news on the foodpanda, they have a 5,000 jets of promotions for 50,000 jets order. I can't say no to that. Since this is a Wave Carnival, you will need to pay with Wave to use this code. Easy and convenient cashless payment from anywhere and anytime. Alright, so my KFC is here. I can't say no to fried chicken when I can get 5,000 jets out of it. So, and I also got some biryani, which is gonna take about 10-20 minutes, so I'm just gonna wait for that.
My food is here, so I'm just gonna close off my work for now and eat it.
Ooh, got two side dishes. Smells so good. What I love about foodpanda is that you can order from anywhere you want, from your home, your work, and also when you pay with Wave, you get some discounts. How good is that? And this promotion lasts from the 10th to 14th of February. You can order on Valentine's Day and save your money by paying with Wave. Use the code FCWAVE. We have to be pretty quiet. It's gonna create an ASMR. KFC, no need to explain more. Juicy, crunchy, and I love the original recipe one. So juicy. Best way to eat Indian food is with your hands. Real Indians always eat with their hands. Don't worry, I wash my hands twice. Oh my god, it's so flavorful. So much spicy inside it. Did lots and lots of that curry and with the biryani rice. So yummy. Let's see if the KFC fried chicken goes well with this biryani rice. This goes well. It turns into a very juicy, sweet flavor. KFC fried chicken with curry, Indian curry. That has to be one of the best combinations ever. Wow, look how big this fried chicken piece is. What's your favorite part about fried chicken? Comment down below. Mine, the wings. Okay, fried chicken all gone. Even the meat stuck to the bone is gone. Biryani all gone too. And this code is available for restaurants like KFC, Season, Bonchon, Fufu, T2s, Waikiki, and Mosedan food court. Alright, time for me to continue my work, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on my lunchtime. So I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Genovia, logging out. Bye.